So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you my quick and easy, super simple summertime makeup routine. So first I'm going to start off with SPF lip balm. This is from Ombrelle. This is SPF 30. I want to protect my lips from the sun. So I'm just going to pat it in to make sure it really gets absorbed into my lips. So for my base today, I'm going to use some sunscreen. This is from Elta MD. This is SPF 45. And then I'm going to add in some glow drops. Today I'm going to use the JLo Beauty Complexion Booster in Warm Bronze. I did 2 pumps of the sunscreen. I added 1 pump of the JLo Beauty glow drops. I'm just going to mix the two together. So I'm going to take some on my brush from Rose Inc. and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. This is a great way to add some color into your sunscreen, especially if you just want to wear sunscreen for the day and not add anything over top. This will just add a little bit of summery glow to your skin. So the sunscreen's been sitting there for about 10 minutes now. I want it to really absorb into my skin. So next I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer. I want to just intensify that bronzy glow. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Contour Wand in the shade Fair Medium. Just going to add a few drops to my cheek area. So I'm going to take a Morphe M434 brush and I'm just going to gently buff that into the skin. And I'm going to add a little bit to my forehead. So it just adds a little bit more of a bronzy glow. So next I'm going to take some concealer. This is from Revlon in the shade Light Medium. Just going to add a little bit to my under eyes. And I'm going to cover up a little bit of my rosacea that I have in my cheek area. Just a little bit around my nose. And some acne scars I have on my chin. I'm going to use a damp beauty blender and blend everything out. I'm going to use a little Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder just to set my concealer. So next I'm going to move on to my eyes. So for my eyes, I have 2 e.l.f. sticks. These are the No Budge shadow sticks. One is in the shade Rose Gold, the other is in the shade Champagne Crystal. So shadow sticks are really good for creating a really quick, easy eye look. I'm going to use the Rose Gold shade, lean back and find my natural crease, and then use the shadow stick to draw just above my natural crease line. Then I'm going to take the second shade, Champagne Crystal, and apply it to the inner third of my eyelid. Take my finger and just gently pat it in. So a good little tip, if you wake up and maybe your eyes are a little dark or maybe you didn't get enough sleep, take a light shadow and put it in the inner corner of your eyes, and that will brighten up your eye area. And it will look like you got a good night's sleep. I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to line my eyelashes. Just going to push the ends up a little bit of my eyeliner so it kind of brings the eye up. I'm also going to take my roller lash and I'm going to tightline my eyelashes. It's just going to make my eyelashes look fuller and thicker. So an eyelash curler is your best friend. It's just going to take all those lashes and move them up before you put on your mascara. Today I'm using Milk Kush mascara. So for blush today, I'm going to use the Clinique Chubby Stick Cheek Color Balm in the shade Amped Up Apple. I'm going to apply some blush to the very top of my cheek and then just use my finger to blend it in. So the new trend is to put your blush very high up on your cheek and blend it up into your temple. So last I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to line my lips with an Annabelle pencil. This is in the shade Buff. And then I'm going to apply some Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Silk. So this is the final look of my quick and easy summertime makeup routine. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.